Hi CSE takers, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let's answer this given problem. The question is, find the product of 4/15 and 3/8. So guys, pag sinabi natin product, ito yung sagot after natin i-multiply yung 2 or more fractions. Okay. And paano nga ba tayo nag-multiply ng fraction by another fraction? So guys, ganito lang yon. So, say for example, we have A/B times C/D. Okay? So, let's assume na yung A/B natin and C/D or any numbers. Okay? So, representation lang yan. So, ibig sabihin, if you have two fractions and then we need to find the product or multiply, we easily multiply numerator to a numerator and then denominator to a denominator. So, ganun lang ka-simple. Okay? A times C is AC. So, kung may number yan, pag multiply lang natin, B times D is BD. Okay? So, ganun lang ka-simple. So, now, i-apply natin yung rule na to. Okay, so we have 4/15. Yan. And then, times 3/8. So, by applying the rule, we have 4 times 3 equals 12. And then, 15 times 8, that is actually equal to 120, right? Okay. So, tignan natin yung 12/120 dito sa mga options natin, which is letter A, right? So, actually guys, sa civil service exam, so dapat lagi naka-simplest form or lowest term yung sagot natin. Okay? As much as possible. So, yung 12/120 ba ay pwede ba natin ma-simplify? Yes, very good. So, both numerator and denominator ay divisible by 12. Okay, so 12 divided by 12, that is equal to 1. And then 120 divided by 12, that is equal to 10. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Very good, 1/10. Gets? Okay, actually guys, merong another rule or another method, no? Another method para ma-solve natin to. Okay, sige, pakita natin. Prove natin na letter C pa rin yung magiging sagot natin. So, what if, ito naman yung gagamitin natin, 4/15 times 3/8. So, using cancellation method, so, ilang 3 meron dito sa 15. Diba we have 5? So, yung 15 magiging 5 na lang to. Yan. Yung 3 of course magiging 1 na lang yan. Ilang 4 meron dito sa 8? Diba we have 2? So, eto, 8 becomes 2. And then yung 4 becomes 1. Right? So, how to multiply fraction by another fraction? So, multiply numerator sa numerator. And then denominator to a denominator. So, we have 1 times 1. We have 1, right? And then 5 times 2, we have 10. Diba? Ito yung sagot natin kanina, 1/10, which is option letter C. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. I hope na marin kayo natutunan. Thank you for watching.